Hey, good afternoon, Mike. This is Peter Gilpin. I had spoken with Maddie in you guys' office yesterday afternoon and let her know I was going to be sending over a video that I made, but basically just showing some things that you guys could do to kind of fix your website, some things I noticed weren't done correctly. Now, if you're wondering why I'm even making this video, Mike, I just find that what happens is a lot of business owners get so caught up in managing the day-to-day aspects of the business that they don't really have the time to fully learn how to make the internet work for themselves to bring in more customers. And what happens is when we make these attack plans and give them out for free, few and far in between people will still call us back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of the video, if you happen to find the information helpful and you do just want to run with it and apply it yourself, that works totally fine with me. I hope that, there's some valuable insight here. In the event you did want to set up a time to talk more about how I could implement some of this stuff for you guys, I'd love the opportunity to do so. But just for the sake of keeping the video brief, Mike, I'll get right into it. What I want to go over is going to be content, backlinks, and citations, okay? So just at a glance, you guys' website looks great. Like I love the theme. I like these. I'm a big fan of these colors personally. I like your logo, right? And it's not blank. But the main focus, again, touching on content, is to be considered authoritative in the eyes of Google. You want to have at least 2,000 words of content on your homepage, and at least 500 words of content per back page. Okay, so you guys are moving in the right direction. Again, we're visual creatures as humans, so the fact that you have something that's like aesthetically appealing is good. But for Google's algorithms and parameters, you guys want to have at least 2,000 words of content on that homepage and at least 500 words of content on your back pages. Um, Before I go into backlinks too, one other thing is what you save your images as. Each one of these images can be saved as a keyword. See how that's just saved as logo? You can save that as Newport Richey, Florida AC repair, or AC repair Newport Richey, Florida, and that's the same goes for each one of your images. Those can all be saved as individual keywords to give you guys some more SEO power. Okay, so I'm gonna move over to what backlinks. I'm moving into a tool that we use called Ahrefs. We do pay for this, but there are other free pieces of software out there that'll give you all this information. We just choose to pay for it because it compiles everything in one dashboard, basically. So when it comes to backlinks, and you can see we plugged your website over here. Literally, so when it comes to backlinks and you guys getting ranking power, Google is more or less like a popularity contest. And how much influence you have is going to be based on how many other relative websites are linking back to you guys. Like, vouched for like authentic websites that aren't like spammy and stuff that are relevant to your industry. And what you guys can do is, for reference, we're using Progressive Air Systems as you guys as competitor. And the reason being is when I, plugged AC Repair Newport Richey, Florida into Google, they're the first organic company to come up. And again, you guys are even beating them as far as like content goes, and it looks like you guys both have like a lot of backlinks. The main thing there is just to make sure that any ones that you guys get moving forward is that you're only getting backlinks from relative websites, websites that are relative to your industry. And what you can do is you can even go in and see some of the other ones that Progressive has, and you can get those for yourself. It's pretty simple. The last thing I want to talk about is citations. Again, going back over here to the Google My Business. So again, aside from the SEO factor, a lot of people, when they're making these Google searches, they're going to skip ad blockers and they don't have the patience to scroll down. So a lot of business is going to go to the people that are sitting in the Google My Business pack, and all that's based on is citations. It's literally how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, and Facebook is even one. So literally same thing as seeing what good backlinks Progressive has. You can go see exactly which directories these companies are listed in. Add yourself to all of the same ones and 50 more, and you guys would easily excuse me, take over this first spot here. So that's all I got for you, Mike. I know it was a lot of information. Just a quick recap. Content is king. You guys' website already looks great, but you would stand to greatly benefit from adding, another 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage and 500 words of content per back page. Each one of your images can be saved as a keyword. Backlinks, make sure you're only getting backlinks from websites that are relative to your industry and what you guys do for work. And then citations, add yourself to the same directories. Make sure your business name, phone number, and email address are all, or your address are all spelled uniform and identical. And add yourself to the same ones and 50 more. And if you supplement all these things and add them together, there's no reason why you guys wouldn't see a huge influx of business in the next couple months. So that's all I got, Mike. I'm going to get this video over to you shortly. Again, I appreciate you taking the time to click and watch it. If you wanted to talk more, with me about how I could help you guys out with some of this stuff, like I said, I'd love the opportunity to do so. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin, and my number is 972-573-9215. Again, it's 972-573-9215. Thanks so much, Mike. Have a good one. Bye.